Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine waking up early in the morning when the world is still quiet. The streets are empty. The sky is dark but slowly becoming brighter. Most people are still sleeping, but you are awake. You open your eyes at 4 a.m., take a deep breath, and realize that you have something special time for yourself. This peaceful moment can become the most powerful part of your day. Have you ever wondered why many successful people wake up very early in the morning? Why do they start their day before the sun rises? The secret is simple. The early morning hours are powerful. They are quiet, peaceful, and perfect for focusing on your goals. When you wake up at 4 a.m., you give yourself a head start while the rest of the world is still sleeping. Imagine starting your day when everything is calm. No noise, no distractions. Just you and your dreams. This special time can completely transform your life. Waking up early is not only about time, it is about discipline, mindset, and personal growth. When you control your morning, you control your life. Successful people understand this very well. Many entrepreneurs, athletes, and leaders follow powerful morning routines that begin very early. They use this time to think, plan, learn, and improve themselves. And the best part is, you can do it too. You don't need special talent. You don't need a perfect life. All you need is a decision. A decision to wake up early and work on becoming a better version of yourself. At first, it may feel difficult. Your body may want to stay in bed. Your mind may tell you to sleep longer. But remember, growth always begins outside your comfort zone. When you wake up at 4 a.m., you train your mind to become stronger. You show yourself that you can do hard things. And that confidence will slowly change your entire life. Now let's talk about what you can do after waking up at 4 a.m. The first thing is silence and gratitude. Take a few minutes to breathe deeply and appreciate your life. Think about the opportunities you have today. Gratitude helps your mind become positive and focused. The second powerful habit is exercise. Even 10 or 15 minutes of movement can energize your body and wake up your brain. Exercise increases blood flow and helps you feel more active throughout the day. The third habit is learning. Early morning is the best time to learn something new. You can read books, listen to educational podcasts, or watch lessons that improve your skills. If you want to improve your English, the morning is perfect. Your brain is fresh and ready to absorb new information. Listen carefully to English conversations, repeat sentences, and practice pronunciation. Slowly, your fluency will improve. The fourth habit is planning your day. Successful people do not leave their day to chance. They write down their goals and important tasks. When you plan your day, you become more productive. You know exactly what needs to be done. And when you complete your tasks, you feel proud and motivated. Another important benefit of waking up early is mental clarity. During the early morning hours, your brain works more efficiently. You can think deeply, solve problems, and generate new ideas. Remember this, your future is created by your daily habits. Small actions repeated every day lead to big results. Waking up at 4 a.m. may seem like a small change, but over time it can transform your health, knowledge, confidence, and success. However, you must also sleep early. If you wake up at 4 a.m., try to sleep around 9 or 10 p.m. Good sleep keeps your body healthy and your mind sharp. Balance is important. You don't have to change everything in one day. Start slowly. Maybe wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual, then gradually move toward 4 a.m. Progress is more important than perfection. Also remember, consistency beats motivation. Some days you will feel inspired, other days you will feel lazy. But discipline means doing the right thing even when you don't feel like it. Every morning you wake up early, you build a stronger version of yourself, and one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. Your mornings will become your secret weapon. So tonight, make a promise to yourself. Set your alarm, prepare your mind, and tomorrow morning, when the world is still asleep, wake up and start building the life you truly want. Because your future is waiting for you at 4 a.m. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.